turn it around and just fold it. So that's simple. Hello my good friends, welcome back to my channel. Shai here, and today I am going to show you on how to fold 8 towels in 3 different ways. So the first one, you need to find a label, and it's always be on the right, and just hold them together and just do like this and turn it around and just fold it. So that's simple. Okay, another one. We'll have a go. We will have a go again. So this one and this one and this one. There you go. Okay, the second one. It's very similar from the first one. So we hold it together. Just do like this. Turn it around. So instead you will go straight. You just fold it here like that, and just so. It's very simple. And the third one. So it's gonna be long ways. So the label is always gonna be on the right. Just so like this. Like both ends gonna be balanced. Like that. Then just put here. And hold the one from the left, going to the right, and just like that. So it's very simple. Let's do it again. We'll have another go. Okay. Just do like this. And from the left to the right. And that's it. There you go. That's so simple. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.